I'm just getting out of the rain. Do any of you suffer from hiccups when you have something starchy? I was raised with rice, also with potatoes, and I love pasta. And if I try to gobble it up too fast, I get the hiccups. So here's some breath work to cure your hiccups. 3 inhales deeply through the nose. And hold. As long as you can, safely. Then let it go as if you're breathing through a tiny little donut hole. Slowly. And that should do the trick. Let me know how it works for you. Always works for me now. 3 deep inhales. It stretches that diaphragm and it stops that cycle. Give it a shot. Hope it helps.